Welcome back everybody, VST here at NSP Tech. There is an update to the camera assistant, and this one is quite exciting because now for the first time we have something called a 3D capture, which adds a 3D capture option to the top of the preview so you can create spatial photos and videos for Galaxy XR headset. So if you've been watching MKBHD, I think in the beginning of the year he did test a secret Samsung VR headset or AR headset, and we now know that this thing is going to be called Galaxy XR. This is based on the secret project Muhan that Samsung had, but now at least the naming is confirmed. So now after I have installed the updated version of the camera assistant, and the version by the way is, let me tell you, this thing here, 40003. With this version, when I open my camera, in the photos and in the videos, I'm gonna get this 3D capture on, right? And I think it's kind of cool that Samsung released this one. At least now we know two things. Yes, the Galaxy VR, AR, whatever headset is gonna be called Galaxy XR, and you're also able to shoot spatial videos with this. Yeah, I know we have this also for the iPhone and with their headset, whatever they call it. Anyway, this thing is here, so Galaxy XR, okay, I think it was Apple Vision. Once you've used the 3D capture, there is a very nice way to understand if this video has 3D capture on or off. By just selecting it, we can now see here 3D capture, all right? This is gonna be applicable for photos and for videos as well. So yeah, definitely Samsung are gearing up to release more exciting stuff in the future. And yeah, I mean, they're not apparently first with this, Apple did it first. I don't really care. 3D capture, I'm not even sure if I'm gonna get the Galaxy XR headset. I'm not sure if I'm so big on spatial video and spatial photos, but it's good that this thing works and it's here, and I kind of like the animation. When you click it, boom, it prompts you to rotate the phone to the landscape, and then you're gonna be able to do spatial 3D photos and videos. Guys, if you want to get the APK, I'm gonna put link down below. You can download it, sideload it. I do believe it has been released only for the Galaxy 25 FE, but I was able to sideload it on my S25 Ultra using One UI 8 BYI3. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe.